Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen. These instructions are for the Indigo Dye Kit. In addition to the kit, you will need a 5-gallon plastic bucket with lid, a stirring stick long enough to reach the bottom of the container without having to submerge your hands, water, natural fabrics. Other useful items are a shallow pan to place your fabric in while oxidizing, a piece of plastic for the floor covering the area where you will have the indigo dye vat. Setting up the indigo dye vat. Fill a 5-gallon bucket with 4 gallons of warm tap water. Empty the indigo dye, soda ash, and reducing agent packets into the water. Stir until dissolved. Stir the vat in one direction in a circular motion. Reverse the direction of the stirring as you drag the stick along the outer edge of the vat before removing it. Remove the stick. Cover the vat with a lid and allow to settle while you tie up your fabric. After you have folded, tied, or bound your garment or fabric, you will want to soak them thoroughly in water. After the vat has settled, remove the lid. The top of the dye bath may be covered with a thin blue skin or a foamy flower. Wearing gloves, gently move it to the side. The dye bath should be a clear yellow or yellow-green color under the flower. If it's not, wait another 30 minutes and check again. Here, I'm gently moving it to the side. Here's our setup. Now we're ready to dye. So to review, we have folded, tied, or bound our garments or fabrics. We have thoroughly soaked them. Now we're ready to begin the dyeing process. If there's that thin layer, gently move it to the side. Squeeze excess water and air out of your fabric. While you're squeezing your fabric, slowly submerge the piece into the dye vat. If there's items like cork, they're going to float up, so you need to gently submerge them and manipulate the piece to ensure that the dye will penetrate the unbound parts evenly. You sort of want to give each piece a little massage while it's in the dye bath. Don't drop the fabrics into the vat and let them sink to the bottom, because there will be residue that has settled to the bottom of the vat, and you don't want to stir that up while you are dyeing. The residue can cause spots. So here I'm gently holding the pieces underwater and giving them a massage. After 1 to 4 minutes, you're ready to take the fabric out of the vat. Squeeze it just below the surface as you slowly remove it from the vat. You want to prevent splashing, as this introduces oxygen back into the vat. The fabric will be the same yellow-green of the vat. Slowly, the fabric will begin to turn blue as the oxygen and the air contacts it. Place the cover over the container. The fabric takes about 20 minutes to completely oxidize. You may want to turn it or open up areas of the fabric. Once the item has oxidized, you can repeat the dyeing process. You would do this if you wished your fabric to be a darker shade of blue. Remember to wait 20 minutes before you re-submerge your piece into the dye vat. As before, submerge the piece in the vat, hold the objects under the water, under the dye vat, and pull them out to oxidize. After we dyed these indigo pieces twice, we decided that was enough. Here we're opening up, taking the resist off to reveal the pattern. Isn't that cool? It's so fun to see the design emerge. The yellow-green color will oxidize and turn blue, and you'll be left with a lovely indigo dyed garment or fabric. Here we're taking all the clothespins off of the napkin. And getting ready to reveal the wonderful pattern. Wow. We love these results. Rinse your resist materials with water and a touch of dish soap. We hope you will love the results. Once your fabric has dried, wash them in a mild detergent. Thanks for watching. Community Arts Kitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby Steinman and Anna Rochester. See you next time.